Hi, good morning everybody. So I hope everybody is doing well. This is your girl Chanel for Color Me Dark. So I wanted to come back with another video. This one wanted to be just a little bit different. As you guys already know, we are all kind of having to wear masks these days, and you still want to be a little bit cute when you're wearing them. So I wanted to do a makeup look, something that was a little bit more of an everyday look, but just to more highlight the eyes. So since you're only able to see from about here up, why not make the eyes pop? So if this video interests you, just go ahead and keep on watching. With my videos, I like to do a lot of either makeup tutorials, different looks, and I'm really into DIYs, either homemade masks, things for the skin, even things for the home. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bells so that you'll be reminded of when I release a new video. I try to do them about once, sometimes twice a week. So I hope that you're able to join me for these videos. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So you guys know I love starting with my sunscreen. It's so important to take care of your skin when you're in the sun. For being in Oregon, I mean, we don't get that many sunny days, but I still really like to take care of my skin and just kind of protect it. And this is so moisturizing that a lot of the times I don't need to add anything else on top. So very moisturizing. And then I go in with my Morphe foundation. I just use just a little bit, and of course you guys know I love my favorite makeup brush, or my foundation brush I should say, but just adding a tiny bit just so that it doesn't get all over the mask. I just want to, just blend in and make my complexion just look as seamless as possible. And then of course going in with Candid. I always get just dark under eyes, and I just like to brighten those up a little bit, just so that you can at least see, that part of my face that you really can see, just to brighten it up a little bit. And then just using just like this flatter brush. I really like it because it just really gets in there and just blends it out really well. And I actually prefer using this more often than my beauty blender, and just kind of going, and highlighting the middle of my face. I just wanted to add a little bit more of that concealer there as well, but just not going down all the way, to the tip of my nose, of course, because it's a little bit more covered. And once I get that in, just kind of going in with my Laura Mercier powder and just kind of touching up those areas that I get oily, and especially now that I'm wearing the mask more often, a lot more sweatier. So I just wanted to add a little bit more and just bring it down a bit, because of course the top of my lip and just all the way down the sides of my nose just gets really sweaty sometimes if I have the mask on for a little bit longer of a time. So just kind of going in. This has just been my go-to now for doing my eyebrows. I just love how detailed I can get it, how hair-like the strokes I can get, and it's just makes it so much faster, I feel, because I already have like my base shape, and then I can just go in with the pomade and just kind of fill it in. So this has been like my go-to way that I do my brows. So if you want a little bit more of a detailed brow tutorial, go ahead and leave that comment down below. But I've just been absolutely loving this. It's cut down time on me doing my eyebrows so much faster. So I love the look that it gives me after. And then just going in with Anastasia brow gel just to kind of, fluff it up a bit. I love how full this gel makes your eyebrows look, and it stays on forever. I get so much more wear, and my brows last so much longer when I use it. So just going in with my Alexis Stone and also the Model's Own palettes. I'm going to be using it's kind of like a gunmetal from the Model's Own, and then this really pretty like lilac from this palette. So it's really, really pretty. I love it. So going in with my trusty brush. I couldn't decide if I wanted to have it at the ends or just start the color in the middle. But I just kind of decided to just do the middle. So I never really plan out the makeup looks that I'm gonna do. I just kind of open things up and decide right there and then. So sometimes I'm like always in the middle of, okay, what should I do? I never really plan it out, but I just want to make it a little bit more authentic. So just kind of really doing my makeup with you guys. So if there are looks that you guys would like me to try, or just different colors that you would like to see, just go ahead and leave those comments down below. I'm always willing to try new things. So just touching on with the gunmetal, I wanted to have that on either side, so I just kind of started in the inner corners with the gunmetal color, and then the lilac will be in the middle. But as you guys know, I just like going back and forth between each eye instead of doing one side completely and then starting with the other. For me, that technique doesn't work, and for me to be able to match up my eyes and make sure that they both are consistent, I have to kind of go back and forth. So I don't know if that works for you guys, or if you're able to kind of just do one full side and then mimic the other, but for me that's never been the case.